Your lesson essential question is, how do we draw picture graphs and use them to solve problems? So you're going to be learning about a type of graph called picture graphs. Picture graphs use pictures to represent data. We'll also be talking about how to use them to solve problems. Here's an example of a picture graph. It's titled Favorite School Subject. So somebody collected data on students' favorite subjects in school. The 4 subjects they were given was reading, math, science, and social studies. You can see them listed here. At the bottom, it shows the number of students for each subject. They used smiley faces as the picture to represent the students. So you can see 4 students liked reading. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 5 students liked math, 3 liked science, and 1 liked social studies. Let's talk more about picture graphs. This tally chart shows the favorite ball games of Mrs. Green's class. You can see tallies for each sport. Baseball has 2, soccer has 8, and tennis has 4. You can show the same data in another way. First, you have to choose a symbol to represent the data. In the example, they're going to use a little stick person. They've decided that each stick person will represent 1 student. You can choose to make your picture represent as many as you want, but in this case, it's representing 1. The picture graph uses pictures to show data. You can draw the symbols to show the data. So 8 students chose soccer. They drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stick figures next to soccer. Here's your 2 that liked baseball and your 4 that liked tennis. Something else that's important when you're drawing a picture graph is you have to have a key. If you didn't draw a key, the person looking at it might think that each little stick person stands for 2 people or 5 people, so you need to let them know. Let's go back to your solve and share. The picture graph shows the favorite subjects of a class. Draw a smiley face on the graph to show your favorite subject. Then, interview 2 classmates and add their data. How many students responded to the survey? Which subject do most students like best? How many students like math or science best? I'm going to draw my smiley face on reading because reading is my favorite subject. After talking to Miss Sienna and Mr. Clark, I learned that they both like math the best. So now let's answer the questions about our data. The first question is, how many students responded to the survey? We'll include the teachers in that response. So if reading had 4, how many does math have? Math has 7, and we're just going to add them together. Science still has 3, and social studies has 1. I know that 7 plus 3 makes a 10, so I'm going to do that first. Now I have 4 plus 10 plus 1. 10 plus 4 is 14, plus 1 more is 15. So 15 people responded to the survey. What subject do most students like best? If I look at the picture graph, I can easily tell. Can you tell? Most students liked math best because 7 of them liked math. How many students like math or science best? So now we're looking at 2 different subject areas. We know math was 7 and science was 3. We need to add them together. What's 7 plus 3? 7 plus 3 is 10, so 10 students liked math or science best. Let's try numbers 1 and 2 in your book. So I see that students were interviewed on their favorite colors. I see that 5 kids liked blue, 6 liked red, and 3 liked purple. They've started your picture graph for you. So the title's already there, favorite colors. They've listed the 3 colors, blue, red, and purple. They've also already made your key, so each pencil is going to equal 1 vote. So they've already drawn 5 pencils for blue. Red, we need to draw 6. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I need to draw for purple? I need to draw 3. 1, 2, 3. How many students like blue or red best? They've already given you the answer of 11. How did they get that answer? You probably said they got 11 by adding 5 blue and 6 red. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Which color is the favorite of most students? It looks like red is the favorite because red has 6 votes and the other two only have 5 and 3.